Hello and welcome. My name is Noah Braun. Today we're going to talk about a new enhancement to ProPricer 9.4.100 called the Material Formula Editor. ProPricer used to be limited in the ways it could calculate the base unit cost of material. But now, with the Material Formula Editor, you can define your own unit cost calculation. This is a game changer for ProPricer users. The Material Formula Editor is located in the Material folder of the proposal properties on the pricing page. To get there, let's select my proposal here and right-click to open the properties. Then click the Materials folder, select the pricing page, and we see the unit cost formula here. To open the formula editor, just click the three ellipses dots here. To showcase the power of this new feature, I'm going to make my unit cost equal my base unit costs multiplied by the material field I have called complexity factor. I use this complexity factor material field in another tips and trick video to showcase custom resource and material fields. If you're unfamiliar with these types of custom fields, check out our other tips and tricks episode about it. Or reach out to our technical support and we'd be happy to help you out. Now back to the unit cost formula. I'm going to change the formula to multiply my base unit costs by the complexity factor field, so I can adjust my unit cost base on the complexity rating that I assign to various assemblies being built in this proposal. For example, let's check out this assembly here in my material library. As you can see, this assembly here has a complexity factor rating of 2. Now if I jump back into my proposal and look at my summary here, we can see that my base unit cost for this assembly is multiplied by 2. This is a great example of the power of this new material field editor. This feature can help you price your material unit costs more effectively than ever. One final comment about this feature is to make sure you use if blank statements when you're including custom material fields in your unit cost calculation. This allows your formulas to work even when a value from your custom material field is blank somewhere in your proposal. Otherwise, ProPricer will read the blank material field value as 0, causing your unit cost calculation to equal 0. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please share it with your colleagues who use ProPricer. If you have any questions about ProPricer, please email us directly. Again, my name is Noah Braun, and as always, thanks for watching.